This is Heidi Caswell here, WordPress 101 for Boomers. And today we're showing you 3 ways that you can add a signature line to your WordPress posts. And we talked a little bit about why you might want to add a signature line to a WordPress post and what a signature line might look like. But at the same time, there's a plugin you can use, a WP Post Signature plugin. There's other plugins too. This is one that I used. And we use that to add a signature to posts. And let me show you how that works. Okay, here we are in this post here, managing multiple users on a WordPress site. And you can see the information and things on there. And if you scroll on down, right below where you have the buttons that you can click on, it says please support WordPress 101 for Boomers. I need to put an S there by tweeting, liking, and sharing these buttons here. And it goes right below these buttons. However, if we go to our blog loop, which is over here, this is where you just click on tutorials, or some people will say blog. But if you scroll on down into the different things, as you notice, it's not showing up here under here. It's not showing up, even though it's showing up on the others. So today what we're going to do is we're going to show a way that you can go ahead and add a signature line and have it show up on this blog loop area too. Now you can simply go into your blog posts. You can edit it each one by one, and exactly where you want to have the signature line put, you can add a signature line. Now since you're adding the same thing every time, it only makes sense to get a sticky note and take the sticky note that's got the information that you want, and you can use HTML in it and go ahead and copy it. And then since it's got some HTML in it, we're going to go to the HTML tab to add it and paste it. We'll go back and see how it looks on the visual. And you can see there it is with the link. It's all there. It's ready to go. The downside of this is you have to put this on every single one. Let me go ahead and save it so you can see what it looks like. Update it. This one's already been published. Okay, now here we are here. And this is in the blog loop here where you see the different posts going on. And you can go ahead and see the words are showing up here. And you got the subscribe to my feed link. But you can put whatever words and whatever HTML code you want to use this. Some people have even taken a signature of their own, a handwritten graphic signature, and they've added the graphic in there as part of it. And that's cool too. Just whatever you want to do, however you want it to look. Now if we look over here on the individual posts, you can see there's the comment showing up there. Here's the other one that I'm using right now, and it's going to show up here. But at the same time, you don't need both. So you can do one or the other. The downside on the cut and paste is that you have to do it. If you've already gotten a lot of blog posts that you have written, you're going to have to go into each blog post and add it there at the end. And that could be tedious. But you would have them showing up there up here on the blog loop area if you wish. And so a lot of it just has to do with you, how you want it to show up, what your time is like for time management. For now, I think I'm going to go ahead and use the plugin, the WP Post Signature plugin. But you can do it this way too. This is one way. There's nothing wrong with using it this way. You do have one less plugin that you are using onto your site by using the cut and paste message. I was using like sticky notes. And so that way it's there on my desktop. It's always showing there. You can just pull it over, just highlight, cut, and paste. And that really is quite simple. I may even consider using that if it wasn't that I already have a lot of posts in there. And the other thing I like about the signature plugin is I could go in and I can edit just in the plugin settings by itself what my signature line says, and it will change it on all the posts. And if in the cut and paste, I would have to go into each post itself and change it there. Anyway, this is Heidi Caswell here, WordPress 101 for Boomers.